So my goal is to get over there. There's a small forest. I think it could be a little cool. Test out my camera. So here we have a landscape view. So I'm not sure if you can see, but maybe if I can zoom in post-production, right over there. Maybe I think so. That's the volcano. I think maybe you can see the smoke. It's like kind of bluish. So at the time of this recording, the date is it's 4th of August today. So it's temperature is pretty moderate. Currently it is 13 degrees Celsius. I'll put a number somewhere for Fahrenheit, but it's pretty warm. Don't have to be wearing much. I'm just wearing a cotton shirt and a sweater. So yeah, it's very nice weather. Look at these. We got some pink flowers. No clue what they're called. Just growing in the moss. So as you can see, I went a little off path. I notice here we got berries. These are edible, though I do not like the taste of them. I forgot what they're named. Maybe it's crowberries, I think. These berries aren't exclusive to Iceland. I know they're also in Alaska and other northern territories. As you might also maybe know, the deserts of Iceland are turning purple. These are lupine flowers. The flowers themselves are poisonous. Also, these seed capsules over here, it's like a rattlesnake's tail. So if I shake it. Also the seeds inside, I'm pretty sure they are poisonous also. So they are all over the place. Not particularly here, but there are fields full of them, as maybe you can see over there. But the flowers aren't flowering right now, so it would have been a lot more purple if I had been here earlier in the year. But right now it's late summer, so I just noticed these patches of pink flowers. I think these are meant to be the same flowers that I saw earlier, but I don't remember. There's another patch here on the rock. Also over there. More pink flowers. Wow. I just noticed these. There's more here and a whole field. Or a small field of flowers over here. All of them pink. So look at that. This place is very muddy, also very dirty. We got some pieces of trash laying around here. It's I guess a decent shelter. It's better than nothing, but there's still pretty big gaps in the roof, so if you're in the rain, well, I guess it's better than nothing, just like I said. Also in here, the pit of trash. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Guys, look at this. It's a small plywood shelter. I think I'm safe to go through just real quick. Okay, look at this. It's half built, half decomposing. I don't know if it's the weather that took it apart or people. Now I need to go back through that. Oh. Back on the main path. Look at this. Even though this forest is pretty small, it's very beautiful. Oh, look at this. We got ourselves a bridge. Very nice. So I think we are almost out of the forest. It's not that big, as I said. So now we're just a couple trees here and there, but then it will stop. We'll just be back in a moss desert. Also, you might have noticed, maybe not, maybe I haven't shown it, but this is a frisbee golf area. So over there, I don't think you can see it, but right over there somewhere, there's a yellow circle with a basket. So you would throw your frisbee from here all the way over there and try to hit it in one go. Also, we get another pretty nice view over my town. And maybe you can see the volcano a little better. It's right over there, behind that bush. Right there, I think. No clue how good the footage is, but we'll see. So I've been wanting to do this for a couple of weeks now. Going outside with the camera, because I have had this camera for now maybe a month, but I never just had the chance. I was busy working, and during the weekends always something happens. But right now it is not the weekend, it's Monday actually, but it is Remembrance Day or something. So there's no work. So I took my time to be able to go out with the camera and test it out. Hopefully the footage is alright and the audio isn't stupid or something. Hopefully everything just goes okay. Right now we have hit the end of the road. Now we can either go down or up. I think I'll go up. Right now it's pretty flat. We have the road beside us, so it's become a little bit more windy. I'll try to get out of this place so we can have a little bit more peaceful walk instead of being next to these cars driving all about. So I decided not to continue on this path because I will go too far away. So I decided to go on this gravel road. We will be going into seagull territory though, so hopefully they won't become too unhappy. I think we're all right though. I don't think the seagulls are gonna go absolute crazy on us, but we never know. We do have seagulls flying around. Yeah. They aren't really crazy, but they just try to intimidate because this is their egg laying area. Oh yeah. I'll be out of their place soon enough. It's right above me, I think. I'm not sure if you can hear, but that's a very loud noise from the highway. all these cars driving. And it probably annoys these seagulls a lot, having to live near the highway. But it's just how it is. Look at this one. Seagulls are not happy. They're flying all over me. I hope they do not poop on me though. It would be not very pleasant. But I think I'm soon getting out of their territory. Here you can see a couple younger seagulls. They're still grey, just like the younglings. And when they become adults, they turn into this white-grey mixture. You can see a lot of seagulls flying around. There's one over there on top. I think that's a nest. Oh yeah. I went off path a little bit. I just wanted to check out this landscape over here. Wow. Also, again, a lot of pink flowers. I think these might just be the flowers of the moss. Probably. I'm not a big outdoor guy, so well, that is what I'm trying to change actually. I would enjoy making more of these videos, just going outside and walking, or maybe camping. Maybe not so close to town, and maybe not in a seagull territory, but yeah, it could be fun. So about the camping, maybe I'll go somewhere over there in the mountain range, as you can see. Also, maybe I might just climb some mountains, or I don't know. This is all new to me, so I'll just find my way. Alright, I think it's time to get out of here. The seagulls are not happy. I just need to move more down there, and I'll be back on the path I was once before. Just a little bit more. We're almost on the path again. And the seagulls are gone, mostly. Oh wow, look at these. I have just discovered blueberries. I won't be eating them though. But I'm pretty sure these are blueberries. Also with some crowberries on the sides. Oh yeah, a blueberry bush. Or maybe not a bush, but they're blueberries on the ground. Alright, we're back on the path. Now all we gotta do is make our way home. So let's go. Just turned on the camera and I almost slipped. Look at that field. And we're back on pavement. Feels good. Look at these. A lot of pink flowers. Massive field. Alright. Alright, so we're back in town. So this video was basically just supposed to be like a test for me. If it goes wrong, if the audio is all screwed up and the video is maybe weird, I won't do anything with it. I'll just try to learn and fix it. But if it worked all out well, I'll maybe upload it on YouTube. And maybe I'll continue on making these types of videos, going outside, maybe for walks, hikes, camping. Maybe this will go somewhere. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later.